Hello there everyone and welcome back, guys. So today, guys, we're going to detail the interior and exterior of this Mercedes. Starting off with a pre-wash using Build Hamber Touchless. For the contact wash, we're going to use a rinseless solution from DIY Detail, and we're going to use a multi-mid method. For the wheels, I'm going to use Build Hamber's Auto Wheel, which is an iron remover or a fallout remover. And for the rest of the wheel and tires, I'm going to coat it with Auto Bride Direct Wheel and Tire Cleaner. So before getting to the next wheel, I always pre-wash the brushes. It wouldn't have been a deep clean without using the clay bar or clay mitt, which will remove the majority of the contaminations that bonded to the paint. After removing all the contamination, the paint reveals its true shine. So this is one of the easiest ways to boost gloss and protection for a relatively long time. This is a spray wax from Soft 99, and they claim that it will last up to 6 months. So the interior isn't too bad, just needs a vacuum and a panel wipe down. Now the very last thing I do to finish off the car is to clean the windows, and I'm using distilled water to do it.